Can you program a transponder key for a 2000 to 2005 Cadillac DeVille when all keys are lost? Yes, it's increasingly feasible with the right tools, though security protocols are tighter. For the DeVille's passkey system, you'll need access to the vehicle's OBD2 port, a compatible transponder key programmer like Autel MaxiIM KM100 or similar under $500, and blank transponder keys. The basic process involves entering a programming mode and generating a new transponder code that matches the immobilizer's requirements. Note that since 2023, regulations often require proof of ownership. Remember, incorrect programming can brick the system, necessitating a dealer tow. Consider dealer options, often costing $50 to $150 for a relearn procedure. First, locate and access the OBD2 port under the driver's side dashboard of your 2000-2005 Cadillac DeVille. Next, use your key programmer device to initiate programming mode. This may involve cycling the ignition key multiple times within a short period. Generate and program a new transponder code into your blank key using the programmer device. Finally, test the newly programmed key by attempting to start the vehicle's engine. For important considerations, essential tools include an OBD2 scanner, key programmer, blank transponder keys, and compatible software. Without an existing key, bypassing the immobilizer is crucial. App-based programming is becoming more common, but always ensure compatibility with your device. Older DeVilles may still have vulnerabilities, and cloned keys are a growing security concern. Always prioritize safety, as programming errors can lead to permanent immobilizer lockouts. DIY approaches can save $100 to $200 compared to professional services, though success rates are around 75% for experienced users. Expert advice recommends starting with simulators and verifying device compatibility.